Okay mga Dabarkas, mag-subscribe na sa pinaka-latest and high-tech na wireless internet plan sa Pilipinas ang PLDT Home Ultra. Mabilis at reliable dahil powered by LTE.
For as low as 999 pesos na monthly subscription, your family can enjoy ultra-fast home LTE.
To apply, pumunta lang sa pinakamalapit na PLDT sales at service center or PLDT Home booths nationwide.
Uunahan nyo na po ang Christmas rush. Ngayon pa lang, bigyan nyo na ang buong pamilya ng kakaiba at masayang rush na hatid ng PLDT Home
Ultra! Aba, parang superhero. Okay, eto ng maganda mga Dabarkats. Watch the ultimate fight of international mixed martial artists on 1FC. Tama ba? Warriors Way. Tonight yan, MOA Arena. Nandiyan ang world's best fighters. Si ano, including Phil-Am MMA superstar.
Brandon Vera!
Brandon Vera! Uy, naging guest natin yan, ha?
Yeah, oo.
For tickets?
Ito na. Tickets are available at SM Tickets ticket outlets or visit www.smtickets.com.
Yun. Eto na.
Will you be my big forever? Ah! Cute na. Nabangan niya yan.
Actually, hindi ako naging big eh. Small pa rin sila sa akin.
Ito na, Kims. Ang mainit na balita sa headquarters ng One for All.
All for one!
Ang mga nagbabagang balita sa One for All for One ay hatid sa inyo ng Coca-Cola, Share a Coke, O Plus 360 Extreme, Hanabishi Appliances, Lafarge Republic Cement, Villarica Pawn Shop, Lumina Homes, Motor Trade, San Marino Tuna Flakes, Talk and Text Only 20, Pure Gold, at ng PLDT Ka Central Siberia.
Oy, pararanin ko lang to bukas, December 6. Sabado po sa Marian Auditorium, Miriam College, Katipunan ay magpe-perform sa ngalan ng Ave Maria Children's Choir Foundation, Anak Tibatak Incorporated ng Hail at 15. Ayan po yan. Hail Mary, the Queen Children's Choir. Bukas po yan. Okay. Thank you. Susugod na ang saya at swerte mula dito sa Bulwagan ng One for All for One. Alan?
Sa ngayon, meron na tayong 23 silya para sa Plastic Me One Project. Ipunin pa natin yan para may padala sa ika-88 eskwelahan na nangangailangan ng mga upuan. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbayanihan, mga Dabarkats.
Okay. Alamin na natin ang mga mahihinit ng balita sa Barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan. Dabarkats, pasok! Ayan na naman Bulacan.
Barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan! Go, my bossy! Go, my big bossy!
Ayan ang big bossing natin.
Daming tao. Eto na nga, sa dami ng tao dito, ready na. Eto na ang ating mga may Big Bossy Sayawan! Alan, Boss Joey, meron tayong 3 teams ulit. Nandiyan ang Team Sirena, Team Taktak at Team Prinsesa. At ang mananalo magkakaroon ng 10,000 pieces! At eto na po sila! May Big Bossing Sayawan na! My Big Bossing Group number 1, Team Sirena, Dynamic Movers. Blue Eyeshadow. My Big Bossing Group number 2, Team Taktak, Freshman Crew. My Big Bossing Group number 3, Team Prinsesa, Chicksers Dancers. Makulit! Ito na ang matik! Ang maliit ay makulit! Maliit ay makulit! Ay makulit! Go! My bossing! Go! Big Bossing para sa araw na to.
Good luck sa inyo mga kids!
For today.
Maaayos naman. Mamaya malalaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang mananalo. Judge ka ba, Day?
Apa.
Wow! Kaya ka ba nakaupo dito? Judge ka?
Apa.
Oh, wow! Siyempre may mga judges tayo dun sa barangay. Thank you, mga Big Bossing kids.
Salamat. Thank you. Good luck.
Good luck. Good luck.
Galaw-galaw na.
Isa ayaw pa kumilos eh.
December 25, may Big Bossing, ha? Lapit na yan. Ay,
Kailan
naku.
ang parada?
Ang parada po namin, baka 22, 23, or 24.
Ay, hindi sure.
Hindi ako sure.
Premiere night.
Premiere night, December 29.
Huy! Nagpalabas na tsaka na-premiere?
Oh, ganun talaga. Paatras.
Sa December 25, my Big Bossing. Eto pa, meron pa kaming magandang balita. Mga Dabber Cats, nandito ang Lafarge Republic sa Barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan.
Nandito
para sa
din
kanilang
sila.
pasimento project.
Correct. Sa tulong ng Lafarge Republic, ito, ipapaayos natin ang baku-bakong daan dito sa
Aray!
barangay.
At nako, ligtas na ligtas ako. Lalo na ang mga residente.
Tama ka dyan. At alam mo ba ang Lafarge Republic ay may tibay enhancers?
Yan kasi ang normal na konkreto, meron niyang maliliit na butas.
Asan?
Pinupuno ng tibay enhancers ang mga butas na yan.
Nako, baka madulas yung mga Becky.
Nagiging mas siksik ang konkreto. Kaya napabawasan ang posibleng pagpasok ng tubig o kemikal na pwede makasira ng konkreto.
Yan.
Kaya kung tibay ang pag-uusapan, doon na tayo sa sigurado sa
Lafarge Republic! Kapraso lang, Republic lang. Wala yung semento.
Okay na tayo.
Maganda, maganda. Yun ang tignan mo, wag ako yung ginagawa mo.
Baka madulas ang...
Becky.
maganda daan dito, Wally. Alan, bukas na, bridal shower ni Marian.
Oh yes, dito yan sa Itbulaga.
Ay, nako, kakaiba dun sa mga bridal shower na ginawa ni Yan Yan.
Daming surpresa.
Tanghaling tapat ba naman eh?
May mga nakalagay sa cake.
Mga bridal shower sa barangay.
Hello po.
Hello?
Hello po.
Sino po ito?
Hello po.
Hello?
Hello po.
Hello po.
Sino po ito?
Sorry
Grace po.
Doris. Doris de Guzman Ramos.
Doris de Guzman Ramos.
Para ang daming tao sa bahay nila.
Eh, malamang. Ando na
Puntahan
lahat
nyo na
yan.
nga. Number
Doris.
396, Marungko.
396 Marungko.
Mm.
Doris.
Malayo ba yun sa Angat Dam, yung kinaroroonan
Malapit,
niyo?
Alan, malapit.
malapit,
ito.
malapit.
Lahat ng dam sa Angat nandito.
Siguro mga siyam na hakbang lang.
Marami rito.
Mamatay.
Pati yung mga cave, meron dito.
Ay, ganda.
Ganda rito.
Pero sa December 14, Festival of Colors, mga Dabar Cats, sa Gloria de Dapitan,
Nako.
Dapitan City. Kita-kits tayo dyan.
Naku.
Yun ang maganda.
Oo, ako, ang ganda dyan.
Festival of Colors.
Sampu nakatira si ano?
Doris!
Doris. Ayun, doon daw. Yung
Ang lalaki ng bunga ng mangga, ha?
Oo. Namumunga ng tao.
Ang bunga ng mangga, naka-jersey.
Ang pogi
Na naka-basketball uniform.
Correct.
Ay, nagpapabati si Pastor Amer ng San Beda. Nanalo sila sa PCCL. Congratulations, Beda. Bridal shower. Excited na ako. Ano ba ginagawa talaga sa bridal shower?
Naliligo.
Talaga. Maligo ka bukas, ha?
Hindi ako maliligo bukas.
I know.
Merong nakalagay sa cake, Alan.
Ano?
May nakalagay sa cake.
Ano?
Tao.
Talaga.
Gusto mo ba rito sa barangay?
Sinabi mo naman agad, surprise nga yun eh.
Nandun si Dagul sa loob.
Ang liit naman ng box.
Eh, maliit lang yung cake eh.
Kasi ano lang eh. Wow.
Uy, kami ni Ay, may show kami mamaya sa Silco.
Uy, talaga?
Oy,
Eh, punta kayo, ha?
Ngayon lang kami nagtagpo uli ni Ay.
Ay, maganda yan, Alan.
Ayan na, ayan siya, oh.
Aling Doris. Yan po ang bahay nyo. Ang ganda ng bahay.
Para ang bata pa.
Ano po yan sa tatay ko?
Si Mama Alan.
Hello, Doris!
Magandang tanghali po.
Magandang tanghali din sa'yo. Ikaw ba ay dalaga pa?
Ay, may asawa na po.
May asawa na?
Wala ka ng pag-asa, Alan.
Para naman interesado ako. Ano ka ba? May anak na kayo?
Opo.
Ilan?
4 po.
Apat! Oh, si Mister, anong trabaho?
Bus driver po.
Bus driver, biyaheng Maynila?
Sa ano po yan? Tourist bus.
Tourist bus.
Sa ibang bansa.
Hindi, dito
Saan,
din yan.
saan yung mga ruta ng tourist bus niya?
Meron po sa Quezon, sa Tagaytay, sa Baguio, sa Bicol.
Basta tinutur niya yung mga RIS.
Opo.
Kasi nga
Ano?
tourist.
Tinutur niya yung mga RIS.
Tourist.
Tourist eh.
Tourist
Ikaw, may trabaho ka?
Ako, eto, sa Bulaga ako.
Hindi, si Doris, si Doris, si Doris.
Doris.
Opo.
Ano?
Teacher po ako sa isang private school.
Wow!
Elementary, high school.
High school po.
Anong tinuturo mo?
English po.
Okay.
It's English Friday.
Okay, kausapin nyo.
Dai, halika Dai. English Friday, Dai. Halika rito. Upo ka rito
8
uli.
years.
We have an English teacher.
Ma'am, you talk to
Come.
Riza.
Come to mama.
Humihingal na yung donkey.
Ano?
Ma'am, you talk to the donkey.
Yeah.
Hello, hi, Riza. Hi.
Ay, napipi.
Hello.
Donkey daw kangis.
How are you?
Ba't ganun, English teacher
Bigla
na
na
yan?
ayaw
Tsaka ka naman na.
magsalita.
Wow, arte. Arte.
You choke.
Takot.
Na-choke.
Wow, antok daw, antok.
Ay, naantok yun.
Gaano katagal na po kayong English teacher?
8 years daw.
8 years po sa Lourdes College of Bulacan. Hello, Lourdes!
Wow, si
Hi.
Lourdes.
Hello, Ma'am.
Hi, Lourdes.
First name basis sila.
Oo,
Open
nag-eskwelahan.
po ang aming ABR.
Taray.
Dahil
Hi,
nakikita
Lourdes.
na nandito ang Bulaga.
Yun. Hi, Lourdes.
Saan ang bahay mo, Lourdes? Ay, Lourdes,
Hey.
tuloy Doris.
Doris, where's the house? Where's your house?
There.
There.
The pader?
Yes, sir.
Over there,
Can
in the
we-
pader.
Can we proceed?
Can we go?
Where can
go?
we?
All right.
We'll follow you.
It's coming.
So, how much is the dog is in the window?
Ow, ow.
Ow, ow.
Alan, oh, the house is very big.
Yeah, the big house is very.
And it's very nice.
Yeah.
Wow, it's too nice. And we have a stair here.
Huh?
Wow. It's
It's
stairway to heaven.
The
No
finishing
paint
is so
yet.
nice. Cement.
Wow.
No paint, but with tiles.
Yeah, look at that. Amazing.
Wow.
There's a big terrace.
Fabulous.
And look at that! There's a window!
Oh.
Bakit
This
naman
is-
siguro na bahay na walang window?
Yeah, this is the first time I saw a house with a window.
Ano to,
It's so
Posporo?
nice.
And they will have a door.
Have a picture in the door! Picture with the door!
And also big doorknob.
Wow!
Oh.
Picture with the door!
Amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, why?
We have a
Amazing na yung
fountain.
amazing title ng kalaban niyo yun.
Kalaban ba yun, Baswari?
Hey, ma'am.
Oh,
Si
it's
Betong
not,
naman yung ano natin.
it's not amazing
You sit here.
Why?
because it's celebrity block. Kalaban ba ng celebrity block?
Wow, there's a lot of people here.
How are you people?
Who are they?
You know, people, this is the first time we go here. Can you everybody evacuate?
Everybody, evaporate.
Yes.
Is that their neighbors?
Yes, my auntie, my co-teachers, and my previous student.
Previous students!
Previous students.
What are you doing here? Reunion?
A premier student. You have diesel student?
Ano ba? Gasolina.
Recent.
Wow. Ano sabi?
Ewan ko. Parang buwisit yun.
Where's the husband?
Where's the husband?
Can we meet?
He's in his trip.
Oh, he's in his trip.
Ah, why you sleep? You wake up.
He is in his trip.
Trip.
Oh, your husband is an addict?
Why?
No, it's a different trip.
It's a different
bus
trip.
trip.
He do a trip.
No, he's,
Like me. Trip.
Tripping.
he's driving, I think. He's
Ah,
driving.
driving.
Sa travel po.
So how?
How?
Wala lang, maka-English
How
na
di
ako.
ka ba?
Come on, everybody. Please, move out.
Ma'am, how about we sit down?
Look at that. We have a rocking chair.
Wow! So,
For how
ma'am,
many years is it's not a rocker?
how many years
We
old
have-
daw yung rocker?
How many years the heavy metal rocker?
Same as my age.
Same as your age.
Oh, is it your sister or brother?
Oh, that was given by my daddy.
Where's your dad?
Where's your daddy?
He is already dead.
Oh, my
Oh, come on.
You want to follow?
No, I'm busy right now. Okay, Daddy, you stay, huh?
Stay there. How about your mommy?
She's gone also.
Oh,
Everyone's gone to the moon.
Yeah.
so sad.
How about your sisters and your brothers?
Gone also?
No, I am the only girl. My two brothers, one is in Canada and the other one is in Quezon City.
Everyone is going away.
Wow.
Is there a problem?
So how
Aren't you afraid of being alone?
Yeah, you afraid being alone?
No, I'm not.
Wait, you can only talk to people in the house.
Ay, ang galing.
Huh?
No, because I am happy with my family and with my friend.
And then, how about the neighbors? Oh, you can. Ay, it's good.
Fluent.
And you know, why is it that the rocking chair is still moving?
My
Because
dad
the
is
father
sitting
is
here.
also there with Look at that.
It's moving.
It's still
Okay,
moving.
Daddy. Oh, tatay, behave lang, tatay.
Yes, tatay. Gusto mong tinapay.
Bakit parang nag-inject na?
Why don't you burn it
The what?
Yeah.
No, this is the remembrance of the father.
Oh, but the father is gone already.
Yeah, but it's still here.
Oh, why? You have sick?
When did the father die?
Ah, okay.
Maybe you want to greet your sisters in Canada in Quezon City.
My brothers.
My brother.
No, your brother.
But before then, I want to greet my husband.
No, great
Bye.
husband. Husband is
The
three.
trip, yeah.
He's driving.
Okay. Kuya, eto kami sa...
English, please.
Okay, brother. Here we are in Bulaga. How are you?
Wow, what a nice English.
That was a very long message.
Yes,
very
this is the
deep.
first time I heard a teacher in English talking English.
Yes, and the message, it's so deep.
So deep inside in your heart.
I cannot even, understand the words.
So all your kids speaking English?
No,
Why?
because we are Tagalog.
Why don't you teach how to speak English?
Parang hirap ka. Parang hirap.
Kaya ko to.
Okay, you want
Kaya
to
mo
talk
yan.
with them?
Makakaraos din kami rito.
Yeah, you want to talk with them?
Yeah, I want to talk your
Okay, may I ask my daughter?
Why you
Jeanette,
ask her?
come here.
Jeanette,
Jeanette, come
your
here.
daughter asks you.
Ano?
Daughter asks you.
Ah, this is the daughter. This is your first
Parang
elderly
Ashley
girl.
Ashley Salonga.
Hi,
Ah,
daughter.
There, you talk to
Hi.
Tito Jose.
Oo, ka-Inglesera.
Okay, what's your name again?
Jeanette,
Jeanette, how young are you?
20 years old.
20 years old. And you still studying?
Yes.
Are you still studying? Or what school you are?
St.
Ano?
Mary's.
From what school you are? Am I wrong?
No, it's fine. It's
Come
fine.
on. What year? You grade.
I am fourth year college.
Taking up
Education.
education. You must be a teacher someday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then what you want to go to the
What?
She don't understand.
Hindi yan ang bata in fairness, ha?
Hey, who's that? That's your...
That's, a premonition.
That's your daddy?
Apparition?
Oh, he is my uncle.
Oh, uncle.
I thought that is your daddy.
You're
no?
the uncle.
You speak also English, uncle? No.
Cannot be. Borrow one from two.
You're 20 years old. You have a boyfriend.
Secret.
Secret. You have a boyfriend.
None.
Last question. You have a boyfriend.
None.
Okay, none.
Ay.
Okay, you. Hey, you. What happened to you?
I don't want to talk.
Why? Why?
Very hard.
What?
Very hard.
Hard what?
I don't know.
Oh, it's bleeding already.
Nosebleed.
What happened?
What happened? Feel dizzy? What do you feel?
What is this? Oh, taste it.
Get lumpiang Shanghai.
Oh, nose.
Maybe it's your BP again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, daughter. When you're a
Jeanette,
teacher, what
subject?
Subject you teach?
Any subject.
Any subject. Give me one.
English, Filipino, or math.
English,
Filipino
Filipino.
or math.
Okay, spell English.
ENGLIS.
You're brilliant.
Very good.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. It's so...
You're brilliant.
And you know everybody.
Yeah.
Dinaan sa ganda ng ngiti.
You know, enough.
Yeah.
My
Please,
English
enough,
is up.
enough.
Enough na rin.
Hanggang doon lang yung inabot ko.
I'm already suffering from internal bleeding.
Oh, come on. Don't. No, look at that.
Wow.
Okay,
Alright.
so, you know?
Yes.
Yes, you know.
Of course. Ma'am, here's your gifts from Eat Bulaga.
Yeah.
English pa rin ba?
Yes. English. Let's talk about English, okay?
Alright, here's your gifts from
Coca-Cola!
Coca-Cola! Wow, lots of food.
Wow.
With a delicious and cold Coca-Cola.
Wow, pressed. Coca-Cola pressed from
With-
refrigerator.
10,000 pieces.
Oh, my goodness.
Ma'am, we have another gift. You have O Plus 8.3 Android phone.
Wow.
This and O Plus is the newest O Plus 360 series.
Oh, look at that. We
Yes.
also give you and make a pasulu for you from
Hanabishi Appliances.
Yeah, it's
Lots of
beautiful.
appliances.
Yes.
And you know, this is another gift.
Uh-huh.
We have a package for you.
Uh-huh.
A package for you from
Villarica Pawn Shop.
Not only that,
Yeah.
yeah, we have also 5,000 pieces from
Lafarge Republic Cement. Here's your 5,000.
And you know, you have another 5,000 pesos and a gift from New San Marino Tuna Flame.
Wow.
You're so brilliant.
And this another pasalu for you.
What's
Okay. You have a tricycle over there? No English.
English, please.
Only motor.
Only motor. Okay. There's a motor train right now. And we have a gift for you. We have from there,
Kawasaki CT110 and 5,000 pieces from Motor Trade. That's brand new. That's yours. Wow,
Look at
legs.
there.
Oh, English yan.
Yeah, motor trade, huh? You know? Ano yung motor? You know, motor?
Motorcycle.
Sigurado.
Motorcycle.
Sigurado.
Again? Ano
In
sabi yan?
Motor Trade.
In motor trade,
Motorcycle
Motor is
for
sure.
sure. You're the baby.
you're the baby. You're carrier, the baby.
Yes.
Alaga ka rito.
Yun. Motor trade, sure.
Alaga
And
ka
you're
rito.
like a baby. Hey, people, what's funny? Bugs Bunny.
Why are you laughing? This is very hard for us.
So,
You know, well, you make some a little store. Like some kind of Chinese store.
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
that? And we have that, and then we will bring to you from over there.
yeah.
The
Pure Gold.
We have a lot of candies, chocolate over there.
For your variety
Groceries.
store.
And then we have two sacks
Sino
of
pong nanalo?
Yeah, for your...
rice.
The sack of fries
And then we have a 5,000
Yeah.
from Pure Gold.
with ham.
You know Pure Gold?
Pure Gold Baliwag.
Oh.
Pure Gold. You know, Alan, Pure Gold? Always
Always
winner.
For your variety store, not varsity store.
You know Baliwag?
Baliwag.
Where? Pure gold.
Yes, we have.
Where?
Where?
At Baliwag, Bulacan.
Oh my God!
Let's do this.
Oh my!
Possible, impossible.
Oh my!
This is not happening.
It's shocking.
This is not happening.
Oh, hard.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey.
another.
Hey, Mr. Postman.
Another.
This house is not yours. You said it's your father.
Father.
So the father is gone already.
Yes.
So who's the owner of this house?
No other than,
No other than who?
Who?
aside from me,
From you.
From you.
So we...
How about you want another house and lot?
Kaya mo ba? There's a chance for you to own another new house and lot. From Lumina Homes. Everyone's home.
Where's your registration form?
Can we check it?
That is new, not Lumi, ha?
Oh, Doris de Guzman Ramos, you fold it in half.
You know when you go to Bulacan now in Angat? Oh my goodness.
And then you
We have
drop
a visa na here.
Yeah.
Really?
US visa. If ever you win, ay, good luck. This
You
is
know,
yours.
when we pass the toll gate, there's an immigration.
Yes, and you know what? We have something gift for you, for your life, for your business, and for your negotiate.
How is that?
Okay? And this is, you make keep it,
Yeah.
a PLDT, and you want PLDT, ka-asenso.
In-accept na lang. Kaya i-translate.
Yeah.
Senso, Siberia, all-in-one internet cafe cafe.
Internet coffee. Okay?
Yes.
Ayan, look at that. You know
That's
what?
yours.
PLDT ka-asenso.
Senso, Siberia, the all-in-one internet cafe packet for your family, powered by PLDT Home DSL.
Wow! What a trio!
Yeah.
We survived.
Yes!
Survive.
I think I want to go to USA. Okay, so what did you say?
Thank you for It Bulaga, and then those who are sponsored this network. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much.
Can you say it again from the top?
And, you know, this is a very, very serious question.
Wow.
A serious
I'm
question.
waiting.
So you
Okay.
have to...
A serious question. So how long you stay in this world?
Nice, very nice.
Okay.
You're good, you're good.
laughing.
No, it's very good.
Do you have any yung naiisip mo? Any
You're thinking of-
thinking for a business?
Pwede?
English,
No, English, please.
Yes.
What kind of business is this?
Mini grocery.
Mini grocery.
Mini grocery like this.
That's only like the mini,
Grocery, yeah.
like mini iPad.
Mini grocery.
You want mini grocery?
Siyempre, of course, we'll start at the little and then until it will become bigger.
Oh, good.
Start from the little.
Okay, you want that? Now, this is your pillow pom. Yan yan.
Anong pillow?
Ha?
Pillow.
Unan.
Puhunan. This is for capital for your business.
It's the wrong English.
Yan.
It's the wrong English.
Let's dance, come on.
And how's about giving her bossing savings number 4?
Number 4. Hey you. Hey you, pig.
Anong pig?
Si Patricia yun, ano?
May kasamang ham.
Wow, leg.
Hindi legs yan.
Number 4.
Number 1.
Ooh, next time, don't go here again, ha?
Did you see it?
Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you, bossing. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah. Choop, choop. Choop.
Congratulations.
And this is also something special for you. You know, Eat Bulaga, we have a gift for you, an extra gift for the early.
T-Legs yan.
Number 4. Ooh, next time, don't go here again, ha?
Did you see it?
Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you. Thank you, bossing. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah. Choop, choop. Choop.
Congratulations.
And this is also something special for you. You know, Eat Bulaga, we have a gift for you, an extra gift for the early. Kala nyo madali dito, mahirap din pala.
Susunod, huwag na tayo ng ma-teacher.
For you, listen very carefully. Listen.
Mhm.
You down. I don't need explanation.
Listen.
Okay? For your kids, for your family, for your mother, brother. Happy brush your teeth. And to the whole family. A Christmas presentation for Eat Bulaga, for you, and for the host, and for the sponsor. All of you.
Early Christmas day.
We gotta give you a
45,000 pieces!
Oh my! This is the first time!
Yeah, 45,000 pieces,
Look
ma'am.
at that! You're crying!
Congratulations and Merry Christmas!
Thank you po.
Teacher is crying?
The teacher is crying
Why
because
is that so?
the children is out.
No. Maybe this is a tears of joy.
Oh.
Congratulations,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you po.
You keep it your money, okay?
Yes.
Teacher, that's the early Christmas bonus from Eat Bulaga.
Hey, Helen is waiting.
Oh, Ate Helen, go, go!
Doing like this. So let's go, guys. Let's do bayanihan.
Okay,
Congratulations, Ma'am
Nabati
Doris.
ko po yung mga nasa Lourdes, School of Bulacan,
Wow,
Elsa, my
Lourdes.
co-teachers, all my students.
where's the bonus, Lourdes?
Here we go na!
Oh, here we go now.
Barangay Marongko, Angat, Bulacan, Bayanihan!
Sa mga dabakan sa barangay, patuloy tayo maglinis sa
Latin
kabalikan,
red.
lalo na ngayong nalalapit ang bagyo.
English!
English.
Oh,
English,
yes.
please.
Your basur, let's make it into chairs.
Okay, so to make palawak,
Konyo. Taglish.
our pagbabayanihan in the Plastic One Project, you bring 15 or more bottles. And here's what we are looking for. Get wet. Basa. Okay.
Basta, yun.
Basa. Okay. Go.
We're
But
looking for guys
Yeah, no,
Men?
let them read. Let them
Yeah.
read. Okay, okay.
with that, model by King.
Boss Joey,
Yes.
sa susunod, sama namin si Jackas, ha? Si Jokas, ha? Galing mag-English nung anak mo.
Okay, I'll tell her that.
Okay. Jokas, you come over here, ha?
Yes.
You help us, you help us. Okay, let's start running. 1 minute.
Okay.
Come on, marathon!
You translate.
Ay, Hassan! Hassan!
Hassan! Assalamualaikum, Hassan!
Welcome back!
Joshua Miguel Hiton! Happy birthday!
Esther Lumeda, happy birthday!
June Gomez, happy birthday!
Aris Santerio, happy
Daryl, happy birthday!
Vince Cabreros, happy birthday!
Ito rin, si Chris Chuper din. Happy birthday. Juliet Cruz, Noli Alvis, Ani Mariano. Si Chris Chuper na, no?
Chris Chuper, happy birthday! Tomorrow, bridal
Yes.
shower of Marian. Don't miss it.
Oh my, oh my!
Marian will take a shower here.
Wake up early tomorrow!
We have also a breakfast in bed. Wow.
Hi,
After
mga
shower.
riders! Karingan, Karingan.
How about let's English tomorrow with
Oh.
Maria?
No, Maria is very good in English.
Yeah,
huh?
please.
We will English tomorrow!
No, only
Okay, I
Friday.
think tomorrow I have a
Okay,
sick
time is
tomorrow.
up. Again, we're looking for men with 15 plastic bottles or more.
You're not
And
looking
they
for
have to
men,
bring
Alan?
tape measure. I choose a number, and this is 4 follow-follow.
All right.
Wow.
Tape
Apat
measure.
sunod-sunod. 138, 139, 140, 141.
138. 139.
Over the end.
140.
And 137. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Look at that.
Yeah.
One number, 4 foot.
One number. All barangays.
OMG. So we have to make bunot again?
I think so. Okay, we
I
try
don't
again.
think so.
Try it, try
What's
it.
the bayanihan line color?
Oh, we have to check.
Do it. The bayanihan line.
OMG.
Yeah, big mouth.
That means they're not included in the barangay
Yeah,
bayanihan.
they not enter the dragon.
Ganun ka man. Congratulations. Maraming salamat sa mga dabarkas natin dyan sa barangay Marungko, Angat, Bulacan.
What?
What? English.
Oh, come on. I can repeat the alert.
From our headquarters, that's the big tooth. Nagbabagang. News for one for all and all for one.
Yeah.
Eto na, here's Pia. Ay, Pia tuloy. Julia and Ruby.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me Pia.
Yeah.
I was not aware I'm long
And,
and spelled. Wow.
yes.
Oh, kasama na rin ang yan. Ano ba? Kasama natin ang mga nanalo ng Big Pamasko nung Saturday. Dalawang winners of Noche Buena package worth 15,000 and 5,000 pesos cash.
Ooh, who
Sila
are
ay
they?
si Rodnick Batoy ng Marikina.
Hey!
At mula naman sa Paranaque, Rizalina Velasco.
Yo! Congratulations, guys. Yes.
Oh, and it's not yet done.
Oh, why
We
not?
still give away gift dahil tomorrow they can win big prizes.
Please.
Just wait.
Alalay on the big.
Yeah, no, because that's me. You wait, see? Big box, big girl, big announcement.
Yes.
Big pamasko for everyone.
Basta you make abang-abang the box over there. Oh, yeah. And now, let's find out who may pinakapanalo.
in the neighborhood. Ano ba?
Who has the biggest transformation in GGSS?
All right, let's announce. Come on, Joa Pao. Who wins?
Hey, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Ruby and Julia.
Yes.
Yes, here.
We have now the result.
With 29 out of 35 votes,
Look at that.
our GGSS for today is contestant number 1. John Lesser Casimiro Bruno Marshmallow.
Congrats! May 20,000 ka, kuya!
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Hawak na rin namin ang panalong grupo sa My Big Bossing Sayawan. At sila ay ang group number 2!
Freshman crew!
Freshman crew, congratulations!
Congrats! Panalo kayo ng 10,000 pesos!
Maraming salamat mga Dabber Cats sa nakisaya natin ngayong araw. Tandaan, mag-ingat po tayo. Okay lang po ang OA, basta safe tayo.
Correct! Oy, abangan po ang nag-iisang bridal
English.
shower sa Please watch out tomorrow for the bridal shower of the one and only royalty, Marian's Bridal Shower.
Wow.
So,
Change
11:30,
me.
let's be all together
Huh?
here, wherever everyone is invited in 1001 Smile.
Ang Eid!
Bulaga!
Mahal na prinsesa.
Prinsesa? Ha? Baka po, prinsesa ng baboy.
Victoria?
Ano klaseng pangalan yan?
Bukas na mapapawi ang luha. Bakit ba ako'y nasa pag-ibig na darating.
20 days to go before Christmas. Greetings from Dunkin' Donuts.